Hi, this is Lily from New Woman and welcome. Well, I haven't been on my page for a while, so I thought I'd just make a video on neighborhood, how to be friendly with your neighbors, or how to get along with your neighbors, or treat your neighbors just as you would like to be treated. And so today I would like to share how I have wonderful neighbors. I can just go and knock on their door we're all the same. I believe we're all the same. We all want the same things in life. And I just think that we connect in some ways that a lot of us cannot believe. We could be from a different way of upbringing, different environments, different countries. But when we come together as people, we become one. You just connect. I connect with all types of people. My neighborhood here, we have people from Eritrea, we have people from Malaysia, we have people from Macedonia, we have people from New Zealand, and of course, that's where I'm originally from, Niue Island, but was brought up in New Zealand. So my saying today is just get out and meet your neighbors. It's a wonderful feeling of knowing that we all can connect, we all can get along. A friendly neighborhood, keep an eye on each other. If there's babysitting to be done, or just like an errand, run up to the shop for someone, like an elderly person who can't just run up to the shop, of course, and or an elderly person who's on their own. Just get to know your neighbors. And it's amazing how we just live around the corner from people that are needy, not needy in the way, but needing things to be done. And why not? If you're free, why not do something like that? Why not just go and knock on your neighbor's door and say, hey, how you doing? Are you okay? Is there anything I can help you with? Just let them know that you live, like 2 doors down, or you live next door, and you're just a friendly neighbor. You're not a stranger off the street. A friendly neighbor who would like to just offer them some help if that's what they need. But I have started doing that with my husband. We moved into the area here where my daughter is in Mirrabooka, and we just started going out and seeing there was a lot of rubbish out around the place. So we didn't complain. We just started picking the rubbish up, and not long, the council or shire workers, City of Stirling workers, were driving around, and they had these big bags, white bags to put your rubbish in, and they had these tongs that you could pick the rubbish up with. So it was great that we were able to ask them and said, look, we pick rubbish up as we're walking along or walking our dogs. So if you guys don't mind, we would like a couple of those tongs and a couple of those rubbish bags. So it was great. They just said, yeah, you're welcome to it, as they could see that we've been picking it up. So I think it's you have to change the environment. And so far since we've been here, oh my goodness, they've been in to clear all these shrubs, right? And now they've laid all these bark under it, and this place here, it's all changed. And it's just little things like that you can make a difference. Saying hi to everyone that you meet, just say hi, how's your day going? And you know what, you'll be quite surprised because some of these people haven't spoken to maybe anyone in a week, or few days, or 2 weeks maybe. But it is our call as people, as like-minded people. We are all the same, regardless of your status. We are all the same. So be a friend and go around your neighborhood, because we know all our neighbors, well, not all our neighbors, but we know the ones who are living right next door to us. And just knock on their door and just introduce yourself and say hi. Well, I'm Lily. I'll just say, hi, I'm Lily who lives next door. How are you? Are you guys, we've been here for this long, blah, blah, blah. So, just that friendly tone of yours will make a lot of difference in your neighborhood. And you could be the one person to change all that. You are the one person to change all that. So I thought, wow, if I could do that, this is me. If I could do that, then it's like a domino effect, like if I do this, and then it's a domino effect, others will follow suit. So that's all I wanted to share today. Go out and meet your neighbours, and you know what? The world will be a better place if we all just got along, yeah, and treat each other just like we're all one big happy family. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today. This is Lily from New Woman. Subscribe to my page and just, have a comment if you want. Say a comment, but subscribe to my page. There are links there you can also click onto. Check us out. Okay, have a great day. Catch you again. Bye for now.